Chamanpras Pro Wrestling League सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमल में देवियों सज्जनों अब वक्त है फीमेल्स 57 यानी के 57 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। मुंबई महारथी की ओर से आ रही हैं वेनेजुएला मूल की बेत्साबेथ एंजेलिका।
मिट्टी से फौलाद बने, दंगल के उस्ताद बने, जीतने आए हैं जीत के जाएंगे, जीतने आए हैं जीत।
डाबर चमनप्रास प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमल में देवियों सज्जनों एमपी योद्धाज की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की पूजा ढांडा।
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can check it out on the screen, it's Pooja Dhanda neck on neck. It is Beth Angelica from Venezuela. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go into this bout, we have a breaking news. We have a Santa Claus in the commentary box. The CEO of Pro Wrestling League, Mr. Sunil Yashkalra, he has a breaking news for us.
Well, Vinesh Fogart has just been nominated for the Laureus Awards, Sports Awards. And those are the Global Sports Awards, and the first Indian, Vinesh Fogart, makes it there.
We have to share this news, breaking news. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, please share it. It's so exciting.
Well, Vinesh Fogart, the brilliant wrestler who just won with 15-0 technical superiority, has become the first Indian to be nominated for the Laureus Sports Awards.
Okay, this is an authority which is like the Oscars of sports.
Absolutely, you could say that. All the best of the Roger Federers, the Steve Wars, and the Usain Bolts of the world have been present there for that.
Wow, this is a breaking news coming right now. It is not even on any news channel or any sports channel. You are watching it right here and listening to this good news. The Oscars of the sports, right?
Yes,
this is
absolutely.
what we can say. Yes, of course, God bless our wrestlers. As of now, the fight is on this bout. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the ladies 57 kilogram Beth Angelica from Venezuela with Pooja Dhanda right opposite her. 2018 World Championship bronze medal, 2018 Commonwealth Games silver medal, and of course she has other laurels to her. And we can say that she blossomed here. Pooja Dhanda is a little of, we can say, be proud of the fact that Pro Wrestling League has brought them to this international exposure, and she's blossomed here.
Absolutely, she's our medal. The PWL star who was created on this same place last year, as you know. She defeated the most decorated, the biggest American wrestler, Helen Morales.
Yes, of course.
Then she goes on and defeats Marwa Amri, who was the World Championship silver medalist. And then you take a step back and the crowd favorite, which is Odunoyo. So she is a giant killer.
Yes, of course, that's the name, the giant killer, Pooja Dhanda. It is so exciting. I am so excited, and I think you can see that I'm at the edge of my seat, jumping around.
Well, it was judo's loss and wrestling's gain. She was a junior national champion in judo as well. And then suddenly her coach decided that judo is not for her. And then Kripa Shankar Bishnoi, the Arjuna awardee, coach told her that it's not going to happen. Concentrate on wrestling. In fact, she had some lean periods as well. We'll talk about that
As
later.
we can see right here on the screen, Mumbai Maharathi having a 2-bout advantage over MP Yodhas. Right now, there was an attack that happened and was beautifully converted. You can see that very action replay on your screens. Beth actually taking that advantage and having a 2-point advantage. And right now, Pooja Dhanda is having one of those, I think, cold moments where she is still got to get on going.
In fact, traditionally, Pooja is a slow starter. She watches her opponent in the first.
That's the insight, yes, of course.
Now you could see that's where she's made that brilliant.
I think right said, Sunil, the way we're just about going to see it all as the action replay, this was a moment where we saw Pooja Dhanda showing that brilliance. Like you said, she's a late bloomer.
Yes, she is. She will only attack in the last 2 minutes. Now she's just gauging her new Latin American opponent.
And as of now, yeah, Latin American style of wrestling is way different than what we have in the Indian subcontinent.
Absolutely, they get into that T20 mold. All they do is keep attacking on the legs, and they take their their opponent by surprise, and that's what Betsabeth has done to get that extra point for herself. Let's see where
Nanda
it
showed
goes.
that brilliance, and we got to see, and she converted a point in her favor. It's just about getting on with this bout. It's female 57 kilogram, and this is one competition where Pooja Dhanda showed those sparkles of brilliance. Towards the end of the first round of this bout, she converted into a point. It's just 1 point difference between them.
Yes.
And I could see that attacking stance that Pooja is into, and she's on a tigress on a prowl, looks like.
She's coming through the groove, and now you would see her attack straight on her left leg of Betsabeth. It's on the way, as I could see. She's just sussing up her competition. Let's see.
Okay, it wasn't the left leg, but yes, it was close. It was the right leg, and she did attack.
Yes.
But could not grab
Convert it.
on to that because Betsabeth was present there in the game.
Betsabeth, as you know, is a very seasoned campaigner, mother of an 8-year-old daughter. She comes and she does a daily job. She works in a school, so you know she practices after that, and she gets into that groove of winning all the medals after her training and teaching assignments. So she's very focused, very sharp. As you could see, she's come
That's
and
a
Pooja.
brilliance. That's Pooja's brilliance. Betsabeth attacked while we were discussing how hard-working she is, but I think that's the opportunity that Pooja was looking at. Pooja has had an advantage as of now, converted that into her favor, got a 3-point lead on the attack that was Betsabeth's, and took it the other way around.
In fact, if you see in the last 30 seconds, there were 5 points scored, and Betsabeth has scored 4 points. Now it's a very evenly matched competition now. Look at it. Betsabeth going onto the legs, Pooja doing the counter attack, and then strumming it up. Yes.
You could see a school teacher with so much of power. I wonder how she handles her students.
Well, I'm sure she keeps all her power and energy away when she goes to her work. Otherwise, she would be off job soon.
Yeah, one dhobi pasad on the student, and oops, she's in trouble. Right now, yes, she is in trouble because she's 1 point away with the advantage in Pooja's pocket as of now. And with a 5-point, that's just about how it's going.
Last 1 minute is going to be, Joe, very exciting. Both of them going in for the with the win. And Pooja in the morning just said when she was playing that cricket match that she has to concentrate more on the match than the match of cricket, bat and ball.
Well, I think wrestlers are quite focused that way. All the sportsmen are, I think. I mean, they will give priority to their own sport than anything else. By the end of the day, this was, yeah, that match went off pretty well. I think both the teams enjoyed it their day out.
Certainly. More on to this. 25 seconds to go. Let's see how it turns out. Pooja want to secure that lead. Again an attack. Betsabeth on the floor. Let's see how Pooja does that roll. Can she do the gator roll? Up to you, Joe.
Oh my God, Betsabeth looks like she's just given up. She's just lying spread eagled on the mat. Towards the end of those 5 seconds, Pooja did that brilliant. That is why I think she's called the Slayer.
She's the mat queen of India and she's won.
Oh my God, what an exciting bout this was. Last few seconds and you can see so many points exchanging hands. Right here, this is the brilliance of Daawat Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amul. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the excitement that has just started. This is the bout which Pooja Dhanda so comfortably won towards the end. She was showing a little bit of a trouble in the beginning of the first round.